Gazanias, everybody, they are an awesome plant for your garden. Look how cool the petals on this flower is. So you got a traditional daisy looking flower, but these are very tough, very rugged perennials for your garden. First time I planted these, it was pretty much sugar sand. They like it hot, they like it dry once they're established. So keep in mind, when you hear people use the word drought tolerant, that happens after they get their roots established. So most plants, it can take getting them through the first summer before they're really established. So they're going to need regular watering like anything else during the first summer. But after that, what Florida provides will give them plenty of moisture for them to survive, barring any extended droughts that we might have. They come in a multitude of colors. Right now we have these nice golden yellows with the dark orangish red and some brown highlights toward the center. Keep checking in with us though. We're going to be carrying different types of Gazanias throughout the season. We're going to show you on some B-roll here. There's another color that I have in the garden on the other side of the greenhouse I've planted. You all can check that out when you come in. But these come in some burgundy colors, some light yellows, some dark yellows, some oranges, different shades of reds and purples. There's even some white colors with some little highlights of kind of like a purplish blue on them. We don't always have them every single variety every time you come, but keep checking in because as the farms release these crops, we're going to be bringing in more and more color varieties. They do really, really well here. And once, like I said, once established, they almost take care of themselves.